Okie dokie. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna show you how to fix Luna right now if you have any broken eyeshadow. Basically, I just brushed it down with my silicone brush. And yeah, so I'm just crushing it with the silicone brush right now. This brush is probably $3 at TJ Maxx. And I'm just using a cup, and I'm using a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. And I kind of want it to look like the rest of them. So I'm just adding a little bit and just going along with it. You add and go, add and go, add and go. Yeah, I want it to be as even as possible so it doesn't look bumpy and stuff like that. I feel like using a dropper is better than a cup. So if you don't want like water stains at the side or alcohol stains at the side, just use a dropper instead to just drop it right in the middle. So now I got a spatula, and this is Anastasia spatula. This is the Anastasia spatula. Is it Anastasia or Anastasia? I don't even know. I say Anastasia. Most people say Anastasia. I'm using the spatula part from the Anastasia brush that came with the lip kit. You know that multicolored lip kit? Yeah. As you see, I put a little too much in the middle. But it's cool though. Yeah, I want everything to be super flat and look really nice. Just trust the process. Trust the process. No skipping. No skipping to the end. I know y'all. Just know it comes out beautiful. It comes out beautiful. So what we're gonna do now is basically just clean off all the fallout with a regular tissue. That's it. Yep, you see my eyelash there on the plate, just chilling. Yep, it's saying hi. Hi eyelash, how you doing? Yep, I'm just cleaning it right now, just cleaning off the sides and the edges so it'll look all crazy. Yep, this is real easy. So right now I'm just shaking Lyra, and you see that it's actually gaining the shape that I want it to, and it's looking real good. So I'm just gonna let that dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, it's ready to use. So now I'm just fixing up the rest, a few more kinks that I made. I'm fixing Orion right now. Then I'm gonna fix Lyra. Then a little bit of Eclipse because it looked like Eclipse is coming off too. I don't even know how I dropped this palette, but once this palette falls, it gets messed up. But I really love Spectra and Lyra. Those are my favorites. Spectra, Lyra. And I like Luna too. My least favorite is Helia and Eclipse. Those are my least favorite. I'm adding little dips and dabs over there in Lyra. And yeah, if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at MSSTARSMILE. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. And if you have any video ideas, comment them down below in the comment section and I'll get to it. Yeah, for this one I'm just using a flat brush because I didn't need to use a spatula that time. This is actually a paintbrush. I never use it for paint, but I use it for makeup. Yep, and that's how you fix your palette. So now y'all don't need to throw it away. You can just keep your palette, fix your palette when it's broken, and you good to go. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Bye.